So, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. So, let us start about the questions of the journal. I will give a small intro about the journal. Journal means to record a entry for our knowledge that the transaction has been held, to recognize whether the transaction has been held or not. So, we will write some entries. Business started with cash. Business business started with cash, so cash to capital. Business started with cash. Business started with cash. With cash 10,000. So cash will get debited and capital will get credited, because capital will always be credited. It will never get debited, and cash is an asset, so it got debited. Cash went into the capital. It is our personal, it is our saving which we invested in a business for more profits. So cash to capital. Goods sold 12,500. Goods sold, we sold the goods, so cash to sales, because our cash increased. When we sell the goods, we will receive the cash, so our cash increased and sales got credited. So 12,500. Rent paid by check 5,000 rupees. Rent paid by check, so we paid rent through the by the medium of bank, by check. So our rent will get debited to, instead of check, if anything come like online, Amazon or something, so if check will also come, we should write bank. Rent to bank, my bank balance decreased and my rent got debited, because I paid the rent, it got debited to bank balance decreased. So I paid the rent by check of 5,000. Rent account debited to bank account credited. Next question. Received commission by check 800. We received commission through the form of check again. So bank will get debited to commission. To commission, we received it. It is a form of income. So commission is income. It got credited, and my bank balance increased as usually. So 800. Next question. Furniture purchased in cash 5,000. We purchased furniture by paying 5,000 in the medium of cash. So furniture will get debited to cash 5,000. Furniture will get debited and my cash will get decreased, because I paid cash to get furniture. Furniture got increased, cash got decreased. Next question. Goods purchased 5,000. Goods purchased of 5,000 rupees. It will be added in a purchased account. So purchases to cash 5,000. My purchase, my goods increased, my cash decreased, because I paid cash to get some goods. Postage paid. Postage means it is an expense, which is a postal service is an expense. So postage paid. Postage to cash 560. 560. Postage got debited, cash got credited, because I paid postage and my cash got decreased. Next question. Received check from Pravir 5,000 rupees. I received check from Pravir. So Pravir, from Pravir account I received check. So my bank balance will get debited to Pravir. To Pravir of 5,000 rupees. So his 5,000 rupees will get credited and my 5,000 rupees will get debited. Okay. Next question. deposited 5000 rupees in bank. I deposited 5000 rupees in bank, so my bank balance will increase to cash will get credited. So bank to cash of 5000 rupees. Last question, interest received. Interest is a form of income, so I received interest, so I received cash to interest of 2400. Interest is an income, it got credited, and my cash is an asset, it got debited. So thank you for seeing this video. Please make sure share, like and subscribe this video. Thank you.